Your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
Well, good morning. We're going to be doing a lot of melting today, especially by the time we get to the afternoon. In the meantime, for about the next 60 to 90 minutes, some black ice out there. Be mindful of that. Not only driving, but walking to the car. Pretty easy to take a spill on the way to the car. 28 right now. You can see your temperature still in Coventry, 31 Gloucester, 34 Smithfield, 35 in Providence, 36 in Newport. And like we've been saying all morning long, even if you're in an area where the temperature is above freezing, keep in mind these are air temperatures. Pavement temperatures can still be colder. Again, we'll be out of the woods by the time we get to the later part of the morning as temperatures really start to warm. And you can see the sun coming up here at the URI campus. Snow on the ground. You could see sidewalks perhaps coated in some moisture and perhaps some ice. Again, the problem with black ice is you can't generally see it. That's why it can be sort of that hidden danger that you don't realize is there until it's too late. The visibility in Newport has been terrific this morning, actually making for beautiful pictures. 36 your temperature from Newport Harbor. I was watching the fog situation carefully. Right now it doesn't look like any major issues. You can see visibilities across the board in pretty good shape. 10 in Pawtucket, 10 in Taunton, 10 in Westerly. Perhaps some of the low-lying valleys here could see some pockets of dense fog move in over the next hour or two, but the likelihood of that happening becomes less and less with each passing hour. Sunshine out in Providence, over the Providence River. Winds are light. They are variable at 5 miles an hour. We will notice these winds pick up, especially after 10 or 11 o'clock in the morning, and that's actually a good thing. That'll help push out some of the stubborn, cool air that's in place right now. Clouds stretching across portions of New England. These will scoot through pretty quickly, so lots of sunshine out there today. You will need those sunglasses. Now, in terms of precipitation, we don't have any today, so I'm going to fast forward all the way through today, kind of like hitting the fast forward button on the DVR. We go into tomorrow afternoon. Notice the green representing some rain showers. Tomorrow by no means is a rainy day. Some hit or miss rain showers possible. 8 o'clock on Sunday, still mild enough to get any precipitation that does fall to come down as liquid rain. And then late Sunday night, after midnight to early Monday morning, the chance of some snow. I'll talk about that in just a second. In the meantime, though, here is our melting. 47, 1 o'clock in the afternoon, 3 o'clock, we're at 45. Now, temperatures by location, again, they take a while to get going, especially in places like Smithfield. Still 8 or 9 o'clock in the morning, we're in the mid-30s, but eventually the mild air kind of scours out the colder air, and we're in the mid-40s quickly by the early afternoon. You could see temperatures across the board making the mid-40s. Now, tonight, yes, some refreezing is possible, especially north and west of 295 here. You can see Smithfield down to around freezing for early tomorrow morning before another temperature rebound tomorrow afternoon. So we're going to do some melting on both weekend days, and that's actually a good thing because our window for melting is small. Once we get to next week, look at these temperatures as they really start to fall. I did mention Sunday night. Right now it looks like about a dusting to 1 inch of snow overnight into early Monday morning. At this point, it doesn't look like a huge impact on the Monday morning commute, but we will keep you updated on that. And as we head into next week, temperatures really start to get cold, especially Tuesday into Wednesday with those teens. For overnight temperatures, 30s during the afternoon. Watching out for the potential of some snow on Wednesday. Too early to talk about accumulations, but some significant accumulations are possible. But again, there is also a scenario, Susan, in which the storm just goes completely out to sea. I think that's a scenario a lot of us would not mind seeing at all. I know there are those snow lovers out there, but the snow lovers seem to be dwindling in population lately as everyone's getting tired of it.
They're kind of giving up. They know that they're a very small minority and they feel like they've got to kind of throw in the towel at this point.
That's right. Ski resorts, of course, love the snow, but yeah, we'll try to keep that storm out to sea on Wednesday. I'll try to push really hard and see what I can do.
We will pay close attention.
Yes.
Thanks, Pete. Covering New England this morning, a college